Hey guys, you seriously need to check out this cool bird feeder from Wuipet. This comes with a camera that lets you watch the birds. Let's take a closer look at it and how it works. So this is the bird feeder cam by Wuipet. So here's some paperwork, instructions. This is the quick start guide. So this is some bird feeder accessories. Here's some more parts in this box. You can put it together. Some more parts in here. Here's part of the base. Yeah, let's go put this thing together and see how it works. The birdhouse is super easy to set up. The smart bird feeder can help satisfy anyone's curiosity about birds and nature, and cultivate their care for the environment. You can learn about birds and their ecosystem just by observing them through the camera, and it's just an overall great conversation starter for the people around you. The 160-degree wide-angle lens allows you to see the entire backyard, and its motion detection can detect people and animals, so there's no need to buy an extra backyard camera. Its camera has a 1080p high resolution at 2 megapixels, which ensures clear and vivid photos and videos, even in low light to get the perfect close-up images of the birds. You can then save the images of your birds in the app and share them with your friends. And it can also save and upload videos and photos to the cloud with a subscription or to any SD card that you plug in. The app is super easy to use as well. With the paid subscription, the AI recognition software can help identify the species of the bird and provides a wealth of bird knowledge to help you learn more about them. The bird feeder can automatically capture visiting birds when they arrive, and it will instantly notify and send HD snapshots to your mobile phone. And it can connect to your 2.4G Wi-Fi connection, which won't let you miss any wonderful moments. It's designed with eco-friendly materials and bright colors to help attract the birds to the feeder. It also can hold a large capacity, so there is no need to constantly refill the birdseed. It can also withstand harsh weather conditions such as high winds and heavy rains, thanks to its IP65 waterproof design. Installing the birdhouse is simple and easy, and it comes with different mounting options, like screwing it into your fence or using the included straps to put it into the tree. So this is the perfect gift for your parents or any bird lover in your life. So yeah, if you want to enhance your bird watching experience, definitely check out the Wuipet bird feeder. See you.